As an injured maritime crew member, you are entitled to certain benefits under maritime law without regard to fault. You're entitled to what's called maintenance, incur, and unearned wages. Maintenance is a rate designed to compensate you for your food and lodging while you are receiving medical treatment. Cure is the payment of your medical expenses. And unearned wages are wages that you would have earned but for your injuries through the contemplated period of employment. Maintenance and cure has been around for a long time. Historically, it meant sending an injured sailor to a tavern, making sure they had a roof over their head, food to eat, and a doctor to see, and making sure they had that until they reached what's called maximum medical improvement, which is essentially when there's no further medical treatment that can help improve their condition. Maintenance and cure has evolved now to look at someone's rent, to look at their mortgage, to look at their average food bills, to look at their utilities, to make sure they're getting the appropriate maintenance rate. That's something we help with. That's something that we make sure that they are getting the appropriate rate to cover those expenses while they are receiving the medical treatment they require. Cure is another thing we help with in making sure that our client is choosing their own doctor and getting the medical treatment they need, and that their medical treatment is being paid by the vessel owner. Maintenance, cure, and unearned wages are three rights that maritime workers have had over the course of hundreds of years. Unfortunately, it often requires maritime lawyers to ensure that those rights are in place and that the vessel owner is paying for those benefits. We help ensure that injured maritime workers receive the benefits that they are entitled to without regard to fault, and then they have certain fault-based causes of action as well, which we pursue in terms of working up the case to establish negligence or to establish unseaworthiness of the vessel so they could pursue their fault-based causes of action.